In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply in Excel. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, mastering the art of multiplication in Excel can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Excel and prepare your data. This means organizing your spreadsheet so that all the numbers you want to work with are clear and easy to find. Having your data laid out neatly will save you time and help avoid any errors as you go through the steps. For instance, if you have a list of sales figures and quantities, make sure they are lined up next to each other in a logical order so that referencing them becomes a breeze. Now that your spreadsheet is all set up and ready, let's move on to the multiplication process. Find a blank cell off to the side where you'd like the result of your multiplication to appear. It could be right next to your data or in another part of the worksheet, depending on your preference and layout. Once you've selected your desired cell, it's time to input the formula. Start by clicking on the equal sign. This tells Excel that you're about to enter a formula that requires calculation. Excel then knows to process what you type next as part of a mathematical operation. Next, click on the first cell that contains a number you want to multiply. This is typically the first value in your multiplication equation. Once you've done that, click the asterisk symbol on your keyboard. In Excel, the asterisk acts as the sign for multiplication, much like the X sign does in standard mathematics. After clicking the asterisk, you'll need to select the second cell that holds the number you want to multiply by. Make sure both values are correct, as Excel will calculate based on the cells you choose. Finally, hit Enter on your keyboard. And there you have it. Your multiplication result should now appear in the cell you initially selected. If you followed these steps correctly, you'll see the calculated value and you'll understand how to multiply numbers in Excel efficiently. This fundamental skills boost in your Excel arsenal can greatly assist with budgeting, data analysis, and more. Remember to double-check your input for accuracy and capitalize on this capability for different calculations and scenarios in your work. Practice with various datasets to become more comfortable with the process and even discover new ways to optimize your spreadsheets. And that's it for today's guide on multiplying in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.